Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Kmum Vlogs and today we're going to make a simple baked sushi. Okay, so for our ingredients, it's very simple and I don't have the complete recipe of baked sushi, but I'm craving to eat baked sushi today. Okay, so please keep on watching. Okay, so first thing that we need to have is sushi rice. So we're just gonna do 2 cups of baked sushi today because I don't want to make so much. Okay, we're just gonna measure 2 cups and I will be using Instapot to cook the rice. So let's get 2 cups of sushi rice. Okay, and we're gonna be using our Instapot so that we can cook our rice very fast. Okay, so that's 1 cup and then another one. Okay, so let's wash our sushi rice. Make sure you wash it well. And it's just like cooking a regular rice. They said it's ideal to wash it twice, so I'm gonna wash it twice. So I just put 2 cups of water using the same cup that I use. So 2 cups of water and maybe a little bit just to add to make sure that it is going to be soft rice. Okay, so let's put it here on our Instapot. And forgive me, my Instapot is dirty. I need to clean it up. So let's cover it. And how to use your Instapot is very easy. It's just the same as your rice. So you're just gonna click this and make sure it's locked, the steam is locked, and then that should be it. So it's gonna say on. There you go. So it's starting to cook the rice. So the next step that we have to do is make sure to, what do you call that, like shred or split the crab sticks. So that it's easier to mix it with the mayonnaise. So you need to do this. If you have a better technique on how to do this, please comment down below. So next thing that we have to do is mix our crab meat with mayonnaise. So I'm just gonna cut it in half. So now we're gonna add mayonnaise, and this is just a regular mayonnaise. You can use a Japanese mayonnaise, but for today we're using just a regular mayonnaise. So we're gonna use 3 eggs. Okay. And then we're gonna add salt. Our salt. And also put some pepper. And then we're just gonna beat our egg. So make sure our pan is hot. Make sure to reduce your heat and we'll start adding egg. Okay, so now our rice is cooked. So there's our sushi rice. And I think I put a lot of water. It's okay. So next thing that we have to do is transfer everything. So now we're adding our rice vinegar, but before that I wanted to mix some sugar on the rice vinegar. So we're gonna put 4 tablespoons. I think 3 because there's only 2 cups. And then we're just gonna add a little bit of sugar on our vinegar. And start mixing it so that we will have a sweet sour taste. And then we can slowly add it on our rice. So now that we are ready, we can add our rice. Now we're gonna add our egg. So now we're just gonna add mayonnaise. I'm using this because I don't have the other one. We can use this for package and then just spread it all over. we ended up with 2 small trays of baked sushi. So we're gonna start putting this in the oven. Your oven setting should be 400 degrees. Hi guys, so we're done with our baked sushi, and as you can see, it's still very hot. It's fresh from the oven, but that's our baked sushi for today. And mamaya titikman na natin siya because we have our seaweed nori. So I'm gonna start trying it and I'll let you know how it tastes. Hi guys! So we're done cooking the baked sushi and ito titikman na natin siya. So it looks like this and nilagyan ko siya ng konting wasabi. So let's try it kasi mainit pa siya. Ang sarap, ang tamis. Siguro dahil nilagyan ko ng sugar yung vinegar. So manamis-namis yung rice. Very luto yung crab stick, crab meat. Sobrang luto siya. And then yung egg. So it's perfect. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Kmum Vlogs. And I'll see you again next time. Bye!